This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video presented by Scott Wall. Available now? So fresh and clean. Home built in 2010. Newly herringbone tiled throughout, this 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths and a 1-car garage with opener. Open floor plan, tile throughout. Kitchen with dishwasher and built-in microwave. Master walk-in closet, side fenced patio. Stackable washer and dryer included as well as lawn mowing. Just outside historic downtown Melbourne. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Wall at 321-506-0353.